right, you're over 30, you are stuck in a job you like, but you don't really love, and you would like to have a better life, but you feel like you're in this secure type of environment and you're afraid of taking a risk to give yourself a better life. Well, this was me a few years ago. So I started making money online when I was literally I did start when I was early in my 20s. I tried it, made some money online, but then stopped. And after that, I got into that rat race, finding a secure job or finding different types of contracts so I could make money online, money regularly, travel in my spare time, which is what I really loved doing when I was younger. So I was working to travel mainly, and that worked out really well. I did travel all over the world. I did work all over the world, and now I'm still overseas. I'm not in my home country. And I got into that routine again of finding a secure job and, making that secured income and getting a house, a car, and getting into that routine that a lot of people are looking for. But then when you're into it for years and years and years, you you could feel like you're missing something. And that's what happened to me. So back in 2020, 2021, I got into, I was just scrolling on social media, and I got into videos of people making a ton of money online just by posting videos on their social media. And I was like, what is this? Is that true? I was a little bit skeptical because, of course, when you see that, you don't think that it's real. Who does think that you can make $100,000 per month or like 20K even a month just posting videos on social media? Well, that was me. I was like, well, it's probably like unreal. There's something off in all this. But then, I was like, what do you have to lose? Like the course that was promoted at the time was a $7 course, and it was about affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, that's something I looked into when I was younger, like in my 20s. I remember I found like courses that I purchased when I was in my 20s about affiliate marketing, but I don't think I did anything about that because it seemed all related to paying for ads and things like that. And I didn't really have the budget for that. All my budget was for having fun and traveling. So I didn't really think about trying to invest in ads. So I took the course, the $7 course. That was back in 2020. I think it was summer 2020. Took the course. I was like, what do you have to lose? $7? That's nothing. It's not going to break me. So I wanted something better for me. I knew there was a way to make something better, work less, make more money, get into passive income, things like that. That's something I've always been interested in. So took the course, started to get into it and trying to understand what it was all about. And I did understand that, okay, those people were making money by posting videos on their social media. So it was like 7 seconds long videos. And they were just using affiliate marketing. So they were adding a link in their bio, and they were making money from that. Very simple, right? So I was like, okay, well, what do I have to lose? Nothing. Just like, I'm gonna have to put myself out there, making videos and see where it goes. I was super shy. So like making a video of myself and posting it for the world to see was a struggle. But I was like, look, I was always like staying in that safe bubble where I was just doing things for myself, not really like showing off anything. And I mean, yes, life was okay, but it wasn't exceptional either. So I started to post these videos, not thinking anything of it. And I started on TikTok. And I remember TikTok was big at the time, so it was really easy to blow up. I did make, honestly, like I made my first few dollars. It was probably like $2 something after 2 weeks of posting on social media. I just added my link, posted stupid videos, and I started to make money like that. And I was gonna turn 40. So I was 39 when I started. So really late 30s, like thinking, oh, I'm getting really old now. I'm like, is that gonna be okay with me? Because everyone online, like all the people on social media, they were like in their, the videos I was looking at, people were like in their 20s, young, fresh people, and I'm like, oh, I'm so old. This is not gonna work for me. Anyways, it did work. I made my very few dollars 2 weeks after posting. And then after a few months, I started to get into those $1,000 a day. And that's when I was like, wow, this is real. It might not be like those 20K a month that I was saying, or $10,000 a month. That was the big thing. The big deal back then was making $10,000 per month. That was a huge step everybody wanted to make. So I started to make those like $1,000 days, and I was like, wow, that's unreal. My husband was like not trusting it at the start. And then when he saw that coming, I was like, wow, okay, carry on doing what you're doing. It's obviously not something I would do, but it's working for you. So just do it. So I was doing that on the side of my job. Then we know what happened in 2021, lost my job for 9 months, like a pregnancy, like a mat leave, like a pregnancy actually. So I lost my job for 9 months. And I remember when that happened to me, I was like, okay, now what do I have to lose? So that was back in, I think it was in October 2021. That's when I lost my job, 9 months. So I was like, okay, I got nothing to lose now. I'm gonna go all in, right? So I started to like get into all these making money online ways, to I did everything. So I was like doing that affiliate marketing and putting myself all in 100%. And I was making more than my income, the income I had from my 9 to 5 job. I was just like, wow, okay, God is just doing amazing things sometimes, sometimes things just work smoothly for no reason. You don't understand why, but it's like when you need it the most, it does work. That's what happened to me. Then I was making some transcription online, translations as well, because I had a certification translating from English to French. So I was doing that as well. And all that really worked out for me. I was making like way more than my 9 to 5 job. But then they called me back to go to work. So I did take the job back, of course, was happy about that um, because I was gonna get back into that secured income. But that that lesson, what happened to me, showed me that I was able and capable of making it happen online, even as a person who is in her late 30s, early 40s. It did work, right? It did work, still working now. And I added YouTube as well. I started my YouTube channel like to get into it really back in 2021 as well. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna show up, but not, it's not gonna be my main concern. That I'm just gonna show up a little bit here and there. And then I monetized my channel too, which was another step, another huge step towards making passive income. So that worked out really well too. So like for whoever Still thinking, should I start a YouTube channel? Yes, absolutely. Just start. It doesn't matter if you're in your 20s, in your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. It does not matter. You can literally make it work and make money from YouTube. So I'm being paid by YouTube as well, not as much as I would like to, but it's okay. It's just new. It's still new to me because I'm not putting myself 100% into it, but I'm making $100 here and there, with YouTube ads, and that's great. That's great. Still doing my social media affiliate marketing business as well. I did create as well digital products, so I learned a few other things, and that is working as well. So I just want you all to know, if you're in your late 30s, early 40s, and if you feel like you got nothing going on for you and it's too late for you to make it happen, or make that additional income that's going to help you to travel, buy groceries, or I don't know, spoil your families, know that it's not too late. So affiliate marketing is a really good way of making money online. Even if you don't have any money to start, just go ahead. It's just a matter of like getting a link, putting it in your bio. You can create a YouTube channel and have that. You can, like if you create a YouTube channel and you review just review products, put the links in your description, and you can start making money just with that. You can go on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat is good as well to make money online. And I'm not into Snapchat really. I will look into it, but a lot of people are making a ton of money with Snapchat. If you do, please comment below. I'm super interested in learning more about Snapchat. And because I'm getting older too, it's hard for me to learn new social media platforms like that. I know all the young people are on Snapchat. I would love to learn, but I know nothing about it. I know I've got an account, but I don't do anything with it. So yeah, use what you have available around you. ChatGPT is a really good help too. Like if you want to get started into making money online, um, like it will help you to create descriptions for your videos if you need to, even scripts if you need to, give you ideas. You can ask ChatGPT. It's like an assistant. Ask that AI bot to help you with your making money online journey. But know for sure it is not too late. Get into social media because it's the easiest way to make money online with no revenue to put towards to get started. It is the best way to make money online. So this video was more of a, like telling you what I've been doing, how I got started in my late 30s. So I just wanted to reassure everyone that it's not too late. You have a ton of ways to make money online. You have a lot of small jobs that you can find online where you can start making your few dollars online, and that's going to motivate you to keep going. But know that passive income is real. When you have more money, like I got into investing now, I'm investing more. And I got into trading the futures market. You can see I've got a few videos about that. That is great as well, but you need to have some money to get into that. You cannot like start if you don't have any spare income. Don't start with that. Just get into affiliate marketing, the easy stuff. Create a digital product that's free. Use Canva. I mean, that is free. Create something, sell it online. Solve a problem. People have a ton of problem in every field you can think of, with pets, relationship, making money online, traveling, any I mean anything you can think of. I don't know, mechanic, like repairing, fixing cars, um, DIY projects in your home. People have a ton of issues they need to find solutions for, and that's where you come from. If you're an expert in some ways in one of the topics, go for it. Create a video, create an ebook, um, create a small presentation online, like that's great too. So There are so many ways. Just get into it. It's not too late, because if you don't start, you will never know what you are truly capable of. I had to lose my job to learn for myself that it was possible. Don't wait for that. Start before. I started before I lost my job, but I got 100% into it when I lost my job. Don't wait for that moment to happen. Be prepared, because you don't know what life is going to bring you. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to make more videos. That's my goal now. I want to make more videos per week to share my journey, to share my tips on making money online. And if I find anything new that could be interesting, something innovative, I will share with you as well. See you on the next video.